How to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You'll land to the For You page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on this option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner, you can find three bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Now click on this option of free up space. Click on this option of clear for the cache. Click on clear. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app TikTok. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, what you have to do is open your TikTok app. Now, head towards your profile page. At the top right corner, you will find three bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on this option of report a problem. Scroll all the way down. Click on this option, submit a report. Now over here, you have to explain about your issue that Creator Tools is not available in your TikTok account and request TikTok support to enable this feature on your TikTok account. Once you type in that, click on submit. After you submit your request, TikTok support team will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that, your problem will be solved. By following these steps, you can easily fix TikTok Creator Tools not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.